dots.
Today, maglaro tayo ng rivals. Gagayahin natin ang, ano yun? Goobers. Ngayon, dalawa lang kami. Ako nga pala si Bowler.
Yeah.
At ikaw, at yung kasama ko naman ay si Stav. Kami ang bagong Goobers. Jack pangalan. Alam niyo ba bakit Jack? J is for Jazz. Yung A is for Arcade. And yung CK para kay Arcade. Bro, get out of there. Leave. Praying.
Bro, this one I don't want that. I don't.
I don't have a sniper, guys.
But we have friendship.
I want sniper, guys.
Wait a minute.
Only this is my gun. Sorry if my gun is not cool.
Yeah. We have no Robux.
By the way, English Tagalog, guys.
Yeah, English Tagalog.
Taglish. Asan ka na?
Wait.
Stav, where are you, Stav?
Bro, my cell phone is lagging.
Bro, Stav is always lagging. You need anything. Benny's birthday alike. Bro, Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast!
You say give me my rock.
Where are you going? Where are you, Stav?
This is now.
Where's Stav?
I'm lagging, bro.
Tara na. Let's go, Stav. Let's play 2v2 with you. You're so slow.
Bro, I'm lagging.
Come here.
Ah!
Yeah.
Bro!
Bro is lagging. Stop it. Hey, move. Get out here. You move.
Yeah.
We're gonna defeat this, guys.
What the hell?
Let's go to the chest. Chest.
Easy
We're
peasy.
gonna defeat this, guys.
Yeah.
You're cooked. They cook, guys. They cook.
Guys.
Pasabugin natin mga...
I have secret mode.
Pasabugin natin mga color nila, guys.
Yeah!
Ah!
Ba't naman ganyan?
I buy it with peace.
Whoa, I'm so slow. But I have a gun. Get out! Get out of here, mother!
They are so strong.
Ah!
Look, it's a noob. Wow. Fire.
I'm so lucky!
It's so laggy. Bro has a sniper.
Bro, he have bazooka, man! He have bazooka!
No. He has sniper. Oh. He killed me with a dagger.
He have bazooka, man!
Again. Try again.
Oh,
We're gonna try
hell!
our best.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna throw. Ow!
Die already. Die. Ouch, what is that?
The
bro?
hell?
Oh no! I'm dying! Stop!
Ang
You can
gala.
do it! You can defeat that! Stop! You can do it! Stop! It's so loud. We defeat again. No, we need to break this. No! Oh, fudge. The fudge.
Time to God mode, man.
We need to hide, bro.
You
see? Oh, what the fudge?
It's flying!
Bro's flying! Bro's flying! Oh, no, he killed me with a bazooka.
He like a cheater, man.
Again.
Wait a minute. Kaping mainit. Wait a minute! I'm lagging!
Stop! Get away there! There's a
I am flying! Bro, I'm gonna fly! I am flying!
I'm dead again.
I'm dead too.
It's time for my final my final weapon.
You
They're cook.
cook now. Woo! Let's go. You cook. He has a knife, man.
I'm the knife guy. Guys, you know what is called is a dagger.
I'm dead.
I'm sorry, I disappointed.
Yeah.
Again, with feet again. Stop. Why?
I don't know. Wait a minute. Okay.
We need to defeat these guys.
Baka. Yan. Ayos medyo.
Stop. We need to.
Medyo ko lang, pre.
We need remote. Come on. Here. Here, stop. Stop is so laggy. What happening to you, Stop? Guys,
Where's
come
the
here.
enemy?
Here. No. Ota. Where his name is Ota.
But he.
And he's in computer.
Oh. Baka he got
Bro, we
me.
read it. He's so tough.
Yeah. We gonna arena, man.
We're arena. Arena tayo, guys.
Durirap-dap. Yeah. I'm so lucky again.
Hey, direct kay Johnny.
Johnny. Titiktugal na ka. Bro, one hit na lang ako.
Come here, bro.
Boy, knife to knife.
Oh! Bro's one hit!
Oh! He killed.
That's how it plays. Now, let's go to the brutal match.
Wait. Boom. It's a slow motion. Hey, what the hell? Hey.
I'm gonna die! Help me!
I'm so lagging. What I'm gonna do? Boy, knife.
He killed me with the dagger. Again! I'm not backing down.
Knife tonight. I'm so lagging.
Hey, we need to hide here. Come here.
That's
right. Go! Fire him!
Yo, what the hell? Whoa. Sinuntok ko siya.
Yeah! That's what you got!
Hey, kill.
Oops! I said the M word. Oops.
No.
By the way, we recorded. Guys, we're recording.
He's coming.
Guys, that's recording.
Mom, I'm taking the ghost. Mother, I'm taking the ghost.
You killed him! Bro!
Run.
Where are you firing? You're firing the front, not the back.
Bro, I'm so loud.
I'm gonna hide here.
I'm gonna hide here. Boy, he come!
Oh, bro. What are you doing? It's him in the dagger! What the fudge? I'm done with this.
Bro, gan mo this. I need this. My mommy kinda homeless. Ayos na sa akin. Hindi tulag. Na sila. Not today!
Stop, we're dying again.
Wow.
We defeated to this guy.
We gonna play songs battleground?
I don't like that again. I like that game.
Yeah.
Super lag. Now guys, I'm gonna shut down this channel. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye, ballers.
Why? Why you leave? Bye guys.
See you in part 2.